Here we have a model man on which I am going to show you the highways of energy. First, we are going to talk about the energy which moves from heaven to earth. That means it enters the body through the back of the hand, then moves from the front of the body like this, and then exits from this part of the feet. So which are those three roads? Which are those three pathways through which the energy enters from the back of the hand? They are the large intestine meridian, the spine or pericardium meridian, and the small intestine meridian. Let us see them on this hand. The large intestine meridian starts from here, from this point on the hand, and it's important when it comes to issues like constipation. And this is the way it goes up, 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 and it moves through the shoulder to the neck, and then it goes to the face and crosses over, and then here it finishes. So this was the first road, and then we have the second road, the spinal cord meridian. It starts from the ring finger, right from here, and then it moves up, taking a little curve from here, and then slowly it reaches the shoulders. See, it reaches this point just below the neck, and it ascends further from near the ear, and then from near the temples it goes up to the head area and finishes there. And the third road which we have is called the small intestine meridian. And see here, this is from where the small intestine meridian starts, and it goes above from the wrist, ascending from the back side of the arm, and then covers a lot of area of the shoulders. And that's why in cases of shoulder pain, this meridian becomes very important. It then moves towards the neck, then the face, and then finishes off near the ear. So these are the three roads which bring the heaven's energy into the human body. So we have to now see that these energies which have entered the human body exit. On feet we have three roads which help exit the heavenly energy into the earth: stomach meridian, gallbladder meridian, and the urinary bladder meridian. So first, let us see the stomach meridian. This is the road of the stomach. It moves like this from the face, then it takes a curve, ascends a little to the head, then starts to descend, moves from the front of the body, the stomach area, and then moves on to the legs, and then moves down from the outer edge of the knee and finishes it here on the feet. The next road which we will see is the gallbladder meridian. A large area of the gallbladder road is located on the head. So in cases of pain in the head and migraine, normally this road is involved. Here it starts near the ear, and then it moves up, takes a few turns, a few here and a few there, curvy movement, and then descends to the chest, to the abdomen. This is a very, very long road, and then moves through the hip area. So in cases of hip pain, gallbladder meridian is very important. And then from the sides of the leg, it reaches the feet and ends there. And now we come on to the third road, that is the urinary bladder meridian. This meridian has a huge presence on the back of the body, but it starts from near the eye. Okay, I'm sorry. Now you can have a look. It starts from here, exactly from near the eye, and then moves up to the head, and then from above the head it moves down towards the back, and it gets divided into two parts on the back, moves more down, it descends onto the hips, and then towards the thighs. It moves from the back of the thighs and the back of the calves, the back of the knee, and finally it reaches with a little curve to the feet. So these are the energies which enter through the back of the hand and then move out from the feet. These are the energies from the heaven to the earth. Now, who is the controller of these energies? It is the governing vessel meridian, which we are going to see next. Here it is in the center of the back. It starts from the hip area and moves up the chest, the neck, the head, and comes to the front of the face and ends just below the nose. Now let us come to those energies which enter the human body from the earth and then ascend up and move towards the heaven. So for taking in the earth's energy, the human body has 3 roads, and the roads which are there on the left side, the roads are there on the right side, and therefore if you can study one side of the body, you will also get the knowledge about the roads on the other side of the body. But the controllers largely remain on the torso area. We did the governor vessel meridian, and after a while we will also do the conception vessel meridian, which moves roughly from here in the center of the body. So talking about the roads which take the earth's energy upwards, these 3 roads are the liver meridian, the spleen meridian, and the kidney meridian. Let's start with the spleen meridian. It starts from the big toe and then ascends up like this from the knee, then on the upper thigh, then the stomach. It goes up and then comes a little down and ends right here. The next energy or the next road is the liver meridian. Well, the liver meridian, it starts from here on the feet, and then it also slowly ascends up like this, and then going from behind the knee above to the thigh, it moves up to the stomach area and then ends in the chest area here, as you can see. The third route which we have, the kidney meridian, starts from the area beneath the feet, that is the sole of the feet. Then it crosses over from the ankles, and then it moves up from the inside of the thigh and from the back side of the knee, moving up, and it moves to the stomach and the abdomen area. Right in the middle is conception vessel meridian, but just next to it is the kidney meridian, and it ends here near the end of the neck. So we saw the 3 roads, the spleen, the liver, and the kidney road, which carry the earth's energy into the body. And now since the earth's energy has entered the human body, it will exit the human body from the palm of the hands. And for this also, we've got 3 roads: road of the lung, road of the heart, the road of pericardium or the brain. Let's start with the lung road. Now this is where the road of the lung starts from. It travels down from the upper arm, then moving on to the lower arm. It goes like this, and then it ends on the thumb. So if somebody is suffering from asthma or lungs problem, then if you check all these points or you check this route, you will find pain on this route. So if you give Reiki healing on this route, then you will be able to either solve the problem or make it less severe. After studying the lung meridian, we will now move on to the pericardium meridian or the brain meridian. It starts from near the nipple and then ascends a little till the shoulder, and then enters the upper arm and moves down to the lower arm, and then it reaches the hand. Over here it ends. And now we have to see the third road, that is the heart meridian. Meridian starts from the armpit and then finishes its course running down, descending, and it descends to the little finger. So all these earth energies which enter from the feet and move up and ascend to the heaven through the sole of the hands, these are controlled by conception vessel meridian. It starts from the genital area and it is there right in the middle of the body. It rises up from the abdominal cavity to the chest cavity to the middle of the neck, and then here it ends on the chin. So this is how the web of the energy is laid on the human body. I wanted to show you this map of ki on the human body, and if we know this, then it will be easy for us to solve many diseases. So if somebody is suffering from a lung problem, it is not necessary that you are giving Reiki healing to the lungs only. You can also move on to the lung meridian to find out the energy flow blockages, and then you can give Reiki healing to the whole route or the road of the lung meridian. And slowly, when your hand becomes sensitive, you'll be able to figure out exactly where on the lung meridian the blockage is, and you can directly heal that particular blockage. And if you press that point, it'll be painful. So that is how you can confirm whether the point you have figured out to be causing a problem is correct or not. So we will meet in the next video. Thanks for being here.